Welcome back to Chatter on the Wire. Earlier today, I actually started out my day at the local range. It's an outdoor range. Once a month, they go through and do some cleanup, but as you can see, there's a lot of casings left. Most of the brass, for lack of a better term, is actually steel casings. So I brought out a magnet, and you can see the pile there that I started doing the initial cleanup on. By using that magnet, I can separate out all the steel that I don't care about and try to find some more of the aluminum and the brass. There is not much brass out there, mostly aluminum, and we'll be using that actually in a future melt. This week, though, I had been watching something from Sizzle. He had done a video on the world's largest aluminum coin on YouTube, so of course I had to try to one-up him. Needed something to do this week, and so I'm glad he threw that out there, and he's been a good sport on this throughout the week as I've asked questions and done a little teaser video. Anyways, the goal here is to actually not make a coin long term for myself, but to build something that I'm going to turn around and use as a target out on the range. I wanted to see what caliber it was going to take to get through certain dimensions. And so in the future, I'll be doing the same general thing, except trying to create a 1/2 inch one and a 1 inch target. And we'll see how well those get blocked by the certain calibers I have. Here you can see where I'm actually trying to level out this brick. I want to make sure that this actually ends up being completely level so that it's the same thickness across. Anyways, most of this is going to be more text read over. There is no music, so you'll have some dead air here or there. Hope you enjoy. Give me some feedback, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Thanks. So, let's see if we can get enough weight in this thing to outdo Sizzle. Sorry for the motion sickness here, but I don't have a tripod for this camera. And the other camera's already set up, as you might be able to hear in the background, for melting all of this. The camera I borrowed for my wife, will stop staying stole, is set up and ready to go on some pours so that we actually have a little better shot on any of the pours, and I'll start actually doing more of that type of stuff. So right now we are at 7 pounds, 3.1 ounces. I'd like to get close to 8 pounds. And we've got 8 pounds there. 8.6. 8.88 it looks like. So I think that should be plenty to beat Sizzle's 5.5 pound measly coin. So we're about 10 minutes into this melt. I just barely put in 8.5 pounds of aluminum ingots, and we'll see how that goes. It will start off at noon, and I will be keeping an eye on it
I'll probably check back in at about 12:30, just due to the sheer amount of aluminum there. I don't expect it will be melting very quickly.
It's time to look at the results. 9.5 inches diameter across the top. 1.35 inches thick, and we did have this poor finish on the bottom. I think that's just because of the lack of heat in the mold. But grand total for this, it came in at 7 pounds, 9.6 ounces. Now, this was only a contest to me. Sizzle, when he put this out, had no idea that someone was going to come along and do something like this. So, anyways, I currently now hold the title for the largest coin, that's in quotes for sure, on YouTube. I'm sure someone will come along and beat both of us here at some point in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching.